Wrong.
Barbara.
Guess the incomplete words.
Grocery items.
First.
Slice.
No. 3, 2.
Spices.
Very good. Kuha.
No, okay.
Next. 3,
Easy.
2.
Ketchup.
Very good.
Meal.
No.
Ay!
3.
Merch pa si Merch. Meat. Meat.
Very good.
Kibaw.
1.
Fries.
No. 3, 2,
Fidget.
1. 3.
Slice.
No.
Semi.
No. 3, 2.
Lambaw. Answer is fruits. Ay!
Wrong.
Barbara.
3, 2, 1.
Ballerina.
3.
Vivo. Vanesar.
Vinegar.
Hindi yung bisin na. Ano sa tumingin?
Vanesar.
Next.
Chicken.
Very good. So 1.
Salt. Salt.
Very good.
Salad.
1.
Nung mo si Gilbo.
3,
Ay.
2, 1.
Wala ka nag-bring sales.
Butter.
Very good.
Deny. Puyo. Nasa grocery, mo na yung pinaka-clue.
Kapalit. 3, 2, 1.
Leonardo Aquino.
Guys, sarap na akong bring sales. Uy,
3, 2, 1.
Ed Sheeran.
Deodorant.
Shampoo.
Very good. 3, 2, 1.
Toothpaste.
Very good.
Horse. Gusto mo sa'yo nila.
3, 2, 1.
Sugar.
Very good.
Dinner. Dinner?
No. 3, 2,
Diaper. Dilator.
Driver. Dilator.
3, 2,
Printer. Dili,
3,
maglilip ka sa
2, 1.
beer.
Dyer.
Diaper. 2, 1. 3,
Wala din.
2,
Nara sa mga...
1. 3, 2, 1.
Tissue.
Very good. 1.
Lotion.
So that's it for today's video. Until next time, God bless everyone and I thank you.
Thank you.